All right, this is kind of me going to load my trailer up. It's gonna be fast time. You're gonna see this, all the crap that I take. 2 bikes, headed to Soggy Bottom. We'll see how this all pans out. So anyways, time elapse, all the crap that I take never ends. So, all right, now we're gonna focus on the trailer because I have no idea what I'm doing. Now that you're focused on the trailer, let's get this puppy locked and loaded. Back this puppy up a little bit. Okay. All right. Are we coming in here? Are you seeing everything? Are we good? Okay, folks, since this is all happening, why don't we do this? Let's take a little tour. Obviously, you see the tread marks here, but I think the first time I'm ever showing this. That's my bed. That is for a shower, a portable shower that I use. And then those are solar panels back there. Got my Condor chalks. And then all my gear, but then up in here in the front is my carpeting. I got tables here. Chair for inside, coat hanger and stuff like that, or clothes hanger I should say, to put stuff, but portable chairs, all the stuff that I need to sit outside as well. Electric hookups. This is for my lights. I have lights all the way through, 4 lights to go all the way across. Very nice. And then I have my hole down here. That's for all the stuff that goes through here. 2 windows, and then I have the camper door, which makes it really nice here. As you can see, and I have an electronic lock on it, which makes it even more functionality. So, and then as you can see, nice door with a couple of windows. Now, this thing is 7.5 by 14. And let me tell you something, I have enough room in here. It's like a studio apartment if you live in New York City. Ha! So, all right, let's get back to this thing. All right, let's get the first bike loaded. Oh, hello. That one's in. Let's get this baby locked down. Okay. Let's get the next one up. This is me. Just taking the F900 and move this around. Hello. These Condor chalks are nice. Okay, bed secured. Now for all the crap. And as you can see, I'm sweating already, so it's good to go. Our gear, clothing, all the stuff. All right, next is bedding. Obviously, that mattress is pretty comfy, but let's add some more padding for my big butt. Sheets, pillowcase, all that good stuff. This is an excursion, folks. You got to figure this out. All right, no judging here. Air conditioning unit. You have to have creatures of comfort from home. Next thing on the list, if you got an air conditioning unit, you got to have a mini refrigerator, I think, right? So we got that going for us. That's really not that bad. Could fit a third bike in here if I really wanted to. And yes, first world problems, solar panel, and you got to have the proverbial satellite to go along with it. So thanks to Starlink and Elon Musk. Portable power. I have a DJI one. I have a Goal Zero, right? Is that what that is? Yeah, Goal Zero. So you guys can't see this, but, or maybe I'll pick it up here. That's the heavy duty one. This is the Anchor 2700. That's what's gonna run that AC and stuff. So, but there's more to come. New addition. Fresh off the delivery truck, gang. A Blackstone 17-inch. Very nice. Now, you can buy food if you want at your rallies, but as you guys well know, it can be quite a bit for food. So maybe I should have a little bit less, but save a little bit of money. Do some breakfast, do some dinners on your own. You don't have to buy dinners. Can never have enough light, although I think I just blinded myself. These always come in handy in case you ever need them. That's my little pop-up tent. And then the rest of it's just all tools and stuff like that. So here, I'll show you here. Coolers, gasoline, and then if solar's not working, I have a generator over there. That is my portable wash. I bring 15 gallons of water with me, and then this way I have a portable shower, and that's it right there. That goes where that wood block is. So that's how I pack up. So we're pretty much ready to go. Soggy Bottom, here we come. Folks, it's a lot, but I know first world problems because you got air conditioning unit, the whole thing, but it works, trust me. I was at the MOA rally and had 0 air condition in my, it was a hot box. So not doing it this time. So anyhow, all right, this is, let me see here one more time. This is it. This is kind of how it's packed up. You can see all that. Bikes are locked down. Everything's in good shape. And we are good to go. Okay. Let's box her up, get her ready. And that, folks, is all she wrote. Yep. I think that's it. Is that it? I think it's it. All right, Soggy Bottom. This is also just how I load out in general, but fun stuff. See you soon. Later. Bye.